The debate between stocks and cryptocurrencies as investment options has been ongoing for years. As we head into 2025, investors face new challenges and opportunities in both markets. In this video, we'll break down the key differences, risks, and potential rewards of stocks and crypto to help you decide where to invest your money this year. Understanding stocks versus crypto. Before choosing an investment path, it's essential to understand what stocks and cryptocurrencies represent. Stocks. When you invest in stocks, you're buying shares of a company. This gives you partial ownership and a claim on its profits. Stocks have been a traditional investment vehicle for long-term wealth building, backed by real businesses and regulated financial markets. Cryptocurrency. Crypto assets are digital currencies or tokens powered by blockchain technology. Unlike stocks, they are decentralized, often volatile, and not tied to company earnings. Instead, their value depends on supply, demand, adoption, and technological advancements. Performance and growth potential. Stock market outlook for 2025. The stock market has historically provided steady returns, averaging 7 to 10% annually over the long term. Analysts predict that sectors like AI, clean energy, and healthcare will drive growth in 2025. Blue-chip stocks and ETFs offer stability, while tech and innovation stocks may provide higher returns. Crypto market outlook for 2025. Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to dominate the crypto space, with institutional adoption growing. The next Bitcoin halving in 2024 could fuel a bullish run in 2025. DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, may evolve, impacting market trends. High volatility remains a factor, with prices potentially swinging dramatically within short periods. Risk factors to consider. Stock market risks. Economic downturns and inflation can impact stock performance. Geopolitical events may influence market stability. Overvaluation in some sectors could lead to corrections. Crypto market risks. Regulatory uncertainty continues to be a major concern for investors. Security risks, including hacks and scams, pose a threat. Price volatility is significantly higher than traditional markets. Liquidity and accessibility. Stocks. Easily tradable on regulated exchanges with a predictable market structure. Crypto. Available 24/7 with higher liquidity in major tokens but extreme fluctuations in lesser-known assets. Best investment strategy for 2025. Diversification. Consider a balanced portfolio with both stocks and crypto to manage risk effectively. Risk tolerance. If you prefer stability, stocks may be the better choice. If you can handle volatility and potential high rewards, crypto could be an option. Long-term versus short-term. Stocks are generally better for long-term growth, while crypto may provide short-term opportunities but requires active management. Research and patience. Stay informed about market trends, regulatory changes, and economic shifts. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to investing in stocks or crypto. Both have their advantages and risks, and the best choice depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. By understanding market trends and making informed decisions, you can maximize your potential gains in 2025. What do you think? Will you invest in stocks, crypto, or both in 2025? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investment insights.